upstairs part of this is one floor. Okay, normally in a fifth wheel, the front part is raised and you walk up steps. There are no steps once you get up inside this coach. Okay, so from an awning standpoint, we're going to start back here in the front. Okay, you got an awning that starts right there, and it goes all the way past the door, and then another one starts just next to that, and then goes all the way to the very rear. All right, you have frameless windows. Okay, 6-point auto level system, which you can see there. Everything is slam latches, heated underbelly. Look at this, guys. I mean, that's all storage. Okay, and the same thing in the back. Right? Is this amazing? Look at all this. That is an auto reel back there that you can see that I'm pointing at. That's an auto reel for your power cable, so you don't have to wrangle it. There's a back door that opens to the storage, so if you want to put something long, again, like a kayak, that can go right down the center. In fact, I think that's honestly what it's made for, because you see that little bow there? That's for a kayak, the nose of it to go in there. Okay? So let's go up the steps. Now, obviously, there's more steps to get up in here to begin with, but once you're in it, there are no further steps. So we'll go to the back first. The living room is kind of crowded already. Okay? And so this is going to be an RV king, guys, right? I'm not going to take the tape measure out. We're like, I don't want to say rushing through these. We're going to cover all the bells and whistles, but we're trying to move as swiftly as possible because we still have so much to show you. Nice bamboo mattress, okay? You got, I'm not going to call it a walk-in closet, but a huge closet in here, which goes side to side, except this could be your washer and dryer area if you want one. Okay? Also, you have cabinets above. I was showing you when we were looking at the bed, there's these little places up top for larger things, because the only nightstands you really have are these tiny little shelves. There's the only power I see, by the way, next to the bed is right there. Okay? As I turn around, you got a beautiful fireplace right at the foot of the bed. And so if you're a little bit cooler at night, you don't have to keep the heat in the entire coach all the way cranked up. You could, you know, crank it down so you're not burning as much propane, and then turn this on at night because it does put out heat. Obviously, you see there's 6 drawers, solid surface countertops, and a TV on its elevator. Okay, so let's move forward. There's a cabinet out here, so that'd be a great place for brooms and such. Okay. So someone just went in the bathroom, so we'll go back to the bathroom in a minute. There's another cabinet right here for more storage of things, which is great. And then you get back here, you've got, oh, this is a mid-bunk. This is a mid-bunk, and it's got a desk in here too.
Very nice.
Oh, office space.
Yeah.
Nice. Cabinets
like
up
that.
above. What was this model number, Lisa? Would you mind running outside and grabbing it real quick?
Yes.
Because we ran in so fast. That converts into a bed, guys. But if not, it's a sofa. This also just goes up. All right, so, and it pins right in here. So if you're sitting on the sofa, you don't hit your head. Okay? So we're going to go into the back. So we're going to sit down and watch the game. Nice. Who's winning? Just kicking off. And it's going to be one heck of a game. Look at that snow. Buffalo in January without snow is impossible. All right, the model number?
392MB.
392MB. MB standing for mid-bunk. 392MB. All right, so the living room. We'll do this real quick so we don't interrupt the game as it starts. You got nice conversational living room because you got a nice big sofa there with your 2 theater chairs right here. They are electric. Hit the button and they go out. That one pulls out to be a bed. And let's not forget all the storage above. Okay? Love the quality of the woodwork with the River Ranch. Beneath that gigantic TV that we're watching football on, you got your JBL sound system with a subwoofer, as well as a nice 40-inch Furrion fireplace. Then we get over here into the galley area here, if you will, right?
Yeah. So the island, we've got all these kind of...
Oh, look at all these like little accessory thingies.
Yes. So you can do whatever you need to do in this
What the heck
sink.
is all that stuff?
Well, you can have, you know, a small basin if you just want to, wash
rinse
your
or wash,
your fruits and veggies. You've got the full basin if you need that for those bigger pots and pans. You got a strainer if you need that, plus a cutting board.
Wow.
So very, very versatile. And
Haven't seen that in any other RV.
I think we've seen it once before. I
Really?
don't remember which one.
Probably a river
last-
ranch.
Probably was, to be honest. And that is stainless.
I'm gonna
We've
come
got a
around behind you.
residential
Come around behind
appliances. Okay, we've got a residential appliances. So we've got a Samsung microwave. It is not
Nice.
convection. 4 burner Insignia stove and oven. Plenty of storage on both sides. Storage underneath the island, and then we have a Samsung refrigerator.
Nice side by side, residential.
Yes.
Nice little food pantry. Should we
Yes.
give it the test?
Got to give it the test.
We got to give it the test. All right, that fails. All right, can you actually see? You can see it moving. All right. So just imagine putting a bunch of canned goods up there. What's that shelf going to do? It's going to fail. So all I got to do is put one more piece of wood right across the middle. That's it. It's going to cost them another 50 cents. Am I right?
Yeah, right.
See, we don't make this stuff up. All right? We harass the manufacturers. Just in the nicest way. I'm not being rude, but this is a full-time coach.
Yeah.
And you're going to put canned goods up there.
A lot.
And that
Exactly.
and that shelf is going to start smiling at you. And that's the only kind of thing you don't want smiling at you. All right, you see the ladies just sitting at the dinette. No, you're fine. You're fine.
You don't have to
No, you're fine. This folds out, and there's 2 more chairs, and you can seat 4. Okay, nice little light above there. And so the only
you,
thing that we
ladies.
missed was the bathroom.
restroom, yes.
So I think she's done in there. So hopefully she flushed. All right. All right. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for
Tallman's Toilet Test.
Plenty of space, guys. All right. So definitely thumbs up on this one. Okay. Nice solid surface sink, which is all one piece here. Cool looking faucet. There's storage underneath. Right. There's a nice medicine chest up above, which I can see my entire self in. Right. Multiple shelves in there. Okay. There's also a place to store some linens up top here. It's sort of the mirror image of the outside one. Okay. So you can put some stuff in here as well as stuff on the outside.
Very
And then
nice.
there's that big shower,
Yep.
which this is a 2-person shower, guys.
That is a 2-person
Right,
shower.
with a bench in the back. So with the
Yeah.
bench up,
Here.
I mean, maybe there's 3 people. Somebody else want to come in here with us?
We got a 3-person shower.
3-person shower. It's a party shower. All right, from a height standpoint, guys, as you can see, there are 0 issues here. If you are tall like me, this is what you want. Okay? Let's go. Tex, I know you were looking for a 30 foot. This is not it. It is not bumper pole, but this does have all the bells and whistles, and there's luxury